Do you want to speak English every day? Do you want to understand simple English conversations? If yes, this lesson is perfect for you. Today, you will learn useful daily English sentences. These sentences are simple, clear, and easy to use in real life. Listen carefully. Repeat after me. Practice every day. Let's begin. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How was your day?
It was good.
What is your name?
My name is Anna.
Where are you from?
I'm from Myanmar.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
What do you do?
I am a student.
Where do you live?
I live in the city.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
What time is it?
It is 7 o'clock.
Are you busy?
No, I'm free.
Are you tired?
Yes, a little.
Are you hungry?
Yes, very hungry.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Wait for me.
Okay, I will wait.
Come here.
I'm coming.
Sit down.
Thank you.
Stand up.
Okay,
Open the door.
okay.
Close the door.
Done.
Turn on the light.
Okay,
Turn off the light.
okay.
See you later.
See you.
Great job! You are doing very well. Practice these sentences again. In the next part, you will learn more daily English sentences. Stay with us and continue learning English. I wake up early.
I wake up at 7.
I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
I take a shower.
I get dressed.
I make breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
What do you eat?
I eat eggs and bread.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee.
I drink water every day.
Water is healthy.
I go to work.
I go to school.
I take the bus.
I walk to work.
I am late.
Hurry up.
I start work at 9.
I finish work at 5.
I feel busy today.
Me too.
I feel tired.
Take a rest.
I feel hungry.
Let's eat lunch.
What do you want to eat?
I want rice.
I like noodles.
I like soup.
This food is delicious.
Yes, it's very tasty.
The food is hot.
Be careful.
Eat slowly.
Okay, I will.
Do you like fruit?
Yes, I like fruit.
Apples are sweet.
Bananas are good.
I drink juice.
I drink milk.
I'm full now.
Me too.
Let's take a break.
Good idea.
Let's continue learning.
Yes, let's continue.
Let's go shopping.
Okay, let's go.
I need to buy something.
What do you need?
I need a t-shirt.
What size do you want?
I want a medium size.
Try this one.
How much is this?
It is $10.
That's cheap.
Yes, it's a good price.
Do you like this color?
Yes, I like blue.
Can I try this on?
Yes, of course.
It fits well.
It looks good on you.
I will take it.
Good choice.
Where is the cashier?
Over there.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can.
Here is my card.
Thank you.
Do you need a bag?
Yes, please.
Here is your bag.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Have a nice day.
Let's go home.
Okay. Where are you going? I'm going home.
What are you doing?
I'm studying English.
Are you busy now?
No, I'm free.
Can you help me?
Yes, sure.
What do you need?
I need your help.
No problem.
Thank you.
Let's practice together.
Good idea.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the airport.
What time is your flight?
My flight is at 9.
Did you pack your bag?
Yes, I packed everything.
Do you have your passport?
Yes, it's in my bag.
Let's call a taxi.
Okay, let's do that.
The taxi is here.
Let's get in.
Please drive slowly.
Okay,
We arrived at the airport.
thank you.
Have a safe trip.
Thank you very much.
Call me when you arrive.
Okay, I will call you.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Where are you now?
I'm at the airport.
Did you check in?
Yes, I did.
Are you waiting now?
Yes, I'm waiting.
The flight is delayed.
Oh no.
Don't worry.
Okay.
Stay calm.
I will.
Are you excited?
Yes, very excited.
Take care.
You too.
Talk to you later.
See you later.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too.
See you tomorrow.
See you.
Good night.
Good night.
Sleep well.
Thank you.
Excellent work. You have finished 100 daily English sentences. Practice these sentences every day. Repeat them again and again. If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to Smart Learning English. Like this video and leave a comment below. Thank you for listening. See you